Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the white light on your PlayStation 5. And maybe there's no signal or your PlayStation is frozen. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So on your PlayStation, there is a solid white light right here. And that means your PlayStation is powered on. Now your console may be frozen or there may be no video signal. Now recently in Call of Duty Warzone Pacific, I was playing and my game froze and I simply had to unplug the PlayStation from the wall outlet to go ahead and restart it. Now what you could try is pressing and holding down the power button right here to turn off the console, and you'll have to hold it down for like 20 to 30 seconds and you'll see the light right here will begin to turn off. Then simply go ahead and restart it like normal. But if that doesn't work and there is no beep, flip your console around and unplug it from the wall outlet. Just like this. And it'll turn it off. Now, you will also want to go ahead and unplug your TV or monitor. Maybe there's some sort of like HDCP handshake issue where it's putting on like some sort of copyright protection on your TV and monitor, and that's why there's no signal. And then plug everything back in. And during this time, go ahead and try just switching out your HDMI cable, and you could try taking the PlayStation 5 end and putting it in the TV, and take the TV end and put it into the PlayStation 5 in case there's some sort of like HDMI cable issue. Then, once everything is plugged in, go ahead and flip this around and turn on your PlayStation 5 and see if it powers up. Also, if there is some sort of like resolution issue where your monitor or your TV is set to a different resolution than the settings on the PlayStation 5, you will want to go ahead and power this on in the safe mode menu. Otherwise, you can use the PlayStation Remote application on your phone. It's just called PlayStation Remote Play, and you can take full control of your PlayStation, and you can use your phone as a screen. So if you do have like some sort of monitor or screen issue, you can simply use your phone, and it'll bypass the HDMI cable. Now to put your PlayStation into the safe mode menu, go ahead and hold down this button. Right here, the power button, you will hear one beep and then you'll hear a second beep. Otherwise, just unplug it from the wall outlet. Just make sure it's not into the rest mode where there's an orange light right here or no lights whatsoever. Then once it completely powers down, go ahead and hold down the power button. You will hear that one beep again, and then you will hear another beep like 5 to 10 seconds later. And then let go. Locate a USB cable just like this and plug it into the front of the console, and then plug in your controller just like this. And you need this to operate the safe mode menu. And then if you do see a signal, that could be a resolution issue on your screen, and you can change the resolution now. So simply press the PlayStation button and you should be able to operate the safe mode menu now. And if you are trying to launch in the safe mode menu, you may encounter an issue like this where it just keeps flickering this gray screen. This gets really annoying. The way I get around this is I switch out the HDMI cables, and then I'll switch out the different sources, and then I'll switch out my TV or monitor, and I'll restart my PlayStation. However, once you go ahead and get to the screen, press the PlayStation button, and then you can go to option number 2, change video output right here, and select this, and you can change the resolution. And you may want to go ahead and try changing the copyright protection mode, the HDCP right here, and select this. You can try going to 1.4 only, but mine is just set to automatic by default. Now we can back out of this. We can try updating our system software, and we can update via internet right here as an option. And this will just put a fresh copy of the recent software update onto your PlayStation. Then you could go to Option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database. I would suggest going to option 1 and 2, and that shouldn't take very long. You might have to go into the safe mode menu multiple times though, and then you can completely reset and reinstall the system software on your PlayStation. This will delete everything, your profiles, your games, etc. from your PlayStation. Just go ahead and remember your email address and password for your profile so you can log back in. So, safe mode menus do give you some options if your PlayStation is kind of acting goofy. So if this video did indeed help you out, go and leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.